Good afternoon, everybody. Steve here with Mature Seeds. It is August 18th today, and it is 34 degrees above and combines are rolling. And I know I'm on the clock, but I can't stop thinking about how good a cold beer it tastes right now. But if that beer is brewed with the hottest malting barley in Western Canada, it'd be even better. That being this guy here. We're talking about AAC Connect barley from Cantera Seeds. Now there's a few things that we're excited about with this variety. One being obviously its yield potential, which we're seeing here as the combine is rolling by. Two, its height. It's fairly short, which we're enjoying, makes for good harvestability. And three, the biggest thing is its resistance package against fusarium head blight. Now, contracts for this particular variety are accepted at Canada Maltsters and the guys over at Seedex. Also, we have seed production in the ground this year at Mature Seeds, and we'll have registered and certified seed available for next year. So remember the name AAC Connect barley when you're crop planning for next year, and also remember that it begins with the seed. Thanks.